this is the timeline of what? Timeline of ancient India. Now I am just going to discuss the timeline of medieval period. Okay, Delhi Sultanate, Mughals, बच्चों, now I am talking about Delhi Sultanate, है ना? What is the time? Delhi Sultanate, then Mughals, okay, Mughals, then Company period, and Crown period. Okay, Company period and Crown period. Delhi Sultanate, then Company period, and then what? Crown period. Just look at Delhi Sultanate. The time period is 1206 to 1526. बच्चों, under this, sir, Harsha period, yes, 550 to 750, exactly, Rohit, very good. I wrote 750 means end of Harsha period. Okay, it means you are taking interest. It shows that you are taking interest. Very good. Harsha period is this one is Harsha period is 550 to 7, because this is end is going to end 550. Okay, 550 to 750. Fine. Look at Delhi Sultanate. बच्चों, Delhi Sultanate, first of all, Muhammad bin Qasim. Okay, first Muhammad bin Qasim, then Ghazni, then Gauri. Okay, 3 Muslims came. Okay, first Ghazni and then Gauri, and then बच्चों Delhi Sultanate started. DS started. Okay, under DS, first is slave dynasty. Okay, second is Khilji dynasty, third is Tughlaq dynasty, then fourth is Sayyid dynasty, and then fifth is Lodhi dynasty. Okay, Lodhi dynasty. Lodhi dynasty. Sorry. मुझे छोटा सा लिखने दो ताकि विजिबल हो जाए चीज, है ना. फर्स्ट दिल्ली सल्तनत बेसिकली गौरी का एक गुलाम था, दैट वाज अ स्लेव, है ना, स्लेव, दैट वाज अ स्लेव, गुलाम था, दैट इज कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक. कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक स्टार्टेड स्लेव डायनेस्टी, है ना, स्लेव डायनेस्टी. ओके, आफ्टर दैट Khilji dynasty, then Tughlaq dynasty, and then Sayyid dynasty, and then Lodhi dynasty. Okay, what we have got? Lodhi dynasty. Okay, Lodhi dynasty, the last is Ibrahim Lodhi. बच्चों, Ibrahim Lodhi was defeated by Babur. Okay, Ibrahim Lodhi was defeated by Babur. Okay, in 1526. Babur 15 1526. Just a minute. हेलो हेलो हेलो, कौन? हेलो. हाँ कौन? अरे रुको. Voice is clear or not? Voice is clear or not? Okay, now voice is clear? Sir, not audible. Voice is clear or not? Okay, fine. So the class will be ended 9 to 11. Yes or no? Okay, fine. 11 o'clock. Fine. Then Aurangzeb. Babur. After Babur, who was there? After Babur, who was there? Just tell me. Babur, then? Yes? Have you studied this? Yes, yes, yes. Good. Humayun, very good. After Babur, then Humayun, then Akbar, then Jahangir, then Shah Jahan, okay, and then finally Aurangzeb. Aurangzeb died 1707, okay. No, Aurangzeb died 1707. Okay, just look at 1707. Bachcho, just look at. After Aurangzeb, okay, company rule was started. Just look at. After Aurangzeb, here, look at. India was like that. During this period, during Mughal period, India was like that. But after the death of Aurangzeb, bachcho, India was divided. Look at, India was divided. India was divided into many states. Okay, many states. Now this is called Bengal. Bengal was captured. I read little bit. Fine. Bengal was captured by company. Okay, British company. Because number of companies came. You must have studied or you are going to study. Number of companies like Portuguese was the first, Dutch was the second, and third was the English, fourth was the Danish, and the fifth one was the French company. Okay, they came and they fought, okay, for supremacy. Finally, British company captured Bengal. Fine, British company captured Bengal, and British company was busy to capture the whole of what? India. The process was going on. All of a sudden, okay, the revolt was seen because Indians were not happy with the policies. Sir, I am from Bengal. Rohit, very good. You are from Bengal. Recently, I taught in Bengal. Okay, I am directly coming from Calcutta. Okay, which area? Okay, now Mughal. Bacho, here, just look at. This is Delhi Sultanate, Mughals, and then I was talking about, yes, the revolt of 1857, okay. The company rule was ended, okay. Company rule was ended, the crown rule was started, okay. Here, just look at. India was like that. Before revolt of 1857, before revolt of 1857, they captured look at British company captured, okay, the most of the part of India. Fine, they captured most of the part of India, but just look at few states, okay, company failed to capture, means the process was going on, okay, the process was going on. The process was going on. Meanwhile, the revolt of 1857 was seen, okay. Meanwhile, the revolt of 1857, then what happened? The same was continued, okay. The same was continued. The same was continued, okay. The same was continued, and in 1947, yes, I was discussing this thing. These are called native states, red part. This is called native states. Native states, and this one is called what? Red part is called British India. British India, okay. This is called British India, but in 1947, okay, after independence of India, okay, Sardar Patel came and he unified India, okay. How many? 6. How many riyasats were there? A number of riyasats were there. Fine. A number of riyasats were there. Fine. A number of riyasats were there, like 567. 567 riyasats were there, and then finally in 1947, okay, 1947 India became independent, okay. Now bacho, I talked about company rule and crown rule. Just look at the difference between company rule and crown rule, Sir, I am from Bengal. Okay, no, just look at 1757. This is called Battle of Plassey, okay. British company came in 1608, okay. In 1608, first factory was called Surat, okay. And then company got charter in 1600, and company was formed in 1599 in London. Company was formed in 1599, and company got charter by Queen Elizabeth to conduct trade with East, okay. And then finally company came 1608. Fine. Captain William Hawkins. Now, bacho, this is called Revolt of 1857. Battle of Plassey. This is called Battle of Plassey. Which one? Called Battle of Plassey. Battle of Plassey. It was fought between Sirajuddaulah and company, and from 1757 to 1857, the revolt of 1857, this period is called what, bacho? This period is called company period. Company period. And this period is called crown period. Company period was ended, and crown period was started, okay. 1857 to 1947. If you talk about crown period, okay, what is company period? Can you tell me what is company period? You must have heard court of directors, board of control. Yes or no? You know these two terms? I am waiting for your comments. You know this? COD, BOC, Court of Directors, Board of Control. Okay, fine. Good. So these were ended. Okay, these were ended over here, and SOS plus 15 member council. This was formed. You know SOS? Farha, Rohit, Sandhya, Shantanu, Tarun, Aditya, Anjali. You know SOS? SOS means Secretary of State. Okay? In British Parliament, one minister was appointed called Secretary of State. Okay? No. Okay, I will tell you. Board of Control and Board of Court of Directors. Just look at. Bachcho, 218 proprietors were there in 1599. Okay? The company was opened by these 218 proprietors, but it was very difficult to take decision. Okay? It was very no Indian Council line. It was very, just listen the story, है ना? तो कितने थे 218 proprietors, 218 proprietors were there, है ना? But it was very difficult to take decision. As a result, a small board was formed called Court of Directors. How many members were there? 24 members were there. 24 directors were there. 24 directors were there. And Board of Control was made by the British Parliament to control over the activities of company. Okay? And it had 6 members. This Board of Control had got military powers, and this one is called having trade power, means commercial power. Then both were ended, and SOS, Secretary of States, and 15-member council, है ना? इस 15-member की council में 8 थे, 8 and 7. 8 ones from British Parliament and 7s were from, this is Court of Directors. Bachcho, these were ended, okay, in 1947. Just look at. Look at, this is COD BOC, okay, Board of Control. Here Governor General plus Council was there, the highest of authority. 15 members, no, not 15 members, just look at first, okay, COD and BOC, Governor General and Council was there, the head. And here company period, this is crown period. Only one was there, that is called SOS plus 15-member council. Okay, used to send, and Governor General was replaced by Viceroy plus council. Okay, these were ended in 1947. Fine, these were ended in 1947. But so I have discussed, okay, timeline. Fine.